I am going to break Derek the Red Hoodie guy's new Hess truck toy. Ha 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 ha.
This is cool. I got 2 Hess race cars 2-in-1 holiday toy. I am going to show it off to NASCAR FASN at the NASCAR race.
Ha 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 ha.
Take it easy, Derek. You can always order a new one, and you have insurance to cover that cost. Stay calm. Oh, tantrum is coming on now.
Troublemaker, how dare you destroy my Hess truck toys? Do you know how much that Hess race car costed? Thanks to you, now I have to get a new one because of you, and I have to start over on my NASCAR fan showcase project because of you, and I have to cancel my participation in that showcase because of you, and it's all your fault, you little stupid sucker.
Oh my god. Derek, are you okay? Look. My Hess truck toy, it's broken, it fell on the tracks. It got electrocuted and died, and it burnt to the ground because of John the Troublemaker. Wah. John the Troublemaker, how dare you break Derek's new Hess truck toy for his NASCAR fan project? Do you know how much it costs? Do you know he had a NASCAR fan showcase where he was supposed to show a Hess truck toy that he got? But no, you destroyed it and burnt it, thanks to you. Derek was crying because of you. Look at him. You made him throw a tantrum and feel sad, and you even made him burst into tears because of you. That's it. I am calling your parents and suing them for $52. Go home right now. I hate you so much, John the Troublemaker. You destructive monster.
Jesus Christ, John the Troublemaker, how dare you break Derek's toy Hess truck toy? Do you know how much it costs? That's it. You are grounded until a new one gets delivered. Go to your room right now. Later, we will discuss the consequences at dinner time. Go. Now.
What?
I cannot believe this. Never in my years of paid running have I ever had to yell as loud as I did just now.